Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we are discuss about some different topic, that is optical isomerism. For nucleophilic substitution reaction, you must know about the optical isomerism. For well study of nucleophilic substitution reaction, you must need to know the optical isomerism. We are already discussed in 11th class, that is isomerism. Isomerism means the molecules which have same molecular formula but different structures. That means the arrangement of atom is different. Isomerism. Isos means equal. Meros means parts. That is equal parts. Isomerism. In isomerism, there is different isomers, or the different arrangement molecules are known as isomers. They are the isomers of each others. Isomerism, that is which have same molecular formula but different in structures. Isomerism, that is the atoms have different arrangement within the molecule, that is known as isomerism. Optical means it is related to vision or light. It is related to light. Some compounds give the different result about the optical or rays or light, and they are how the isomers of each other. We can discuss about it, that is the optical isomerism. For optical isomerism, there is some terms you must know, that is see in figure, that is ordinary light. You are already known about the ordinary light, which vibrate in different planes and different wavelengths. It contains different wavelengths and vibrate in different planes or all directions. When that ordinary light passes through Nicol prism, we get a single wavelength vibrate in a single plane. The ray which vibrate in single plane with single wavelength, that is known as plane polarized light. When that plane polarized light passed through a substance or a chemicals or a molecule, we get some result, that is the plane polarized light is rotated towards left or it is rotated toward the right. That gives the result only the optical active substances. When the plane polarized light passes through optical active substances, the plane polarized light is rotate either left or either right. If it at left, it is known as levorotatory. If it is in right, that is known as dextrorotatory. The definition of the terms. First, upon the optical activity. The substance which is optically active. What is meant by optical activity? Optical activity is the phenomena in which organic compound rotate the plane polarized light. It is also known as PPL, plane polarized light, towards right or left side, is known as optical activity. Such type of organic compound is called optically active organic compounds, which rotate the plane polarized light. That substances are known as optically active substances. Ordinary light, the light ray vibrating in almost all planes perpendicular to the direction of propagation is called as ordinary light. In the direction of propagation, vibrate in all planes. That means the ordinary light contains different colors or different wavelengths. That wavelengths gives or vibrates in a different planes. Monochromatic light, the light having a single color, that means a same wavelength, and vibrate in all plane is known as monochromatic light. Plane polarized light, a plane polarized light having oscillations only in one plane perpendicular to direction of propagation. Direction of propagation means at which direction it is going, that is known as direction of propagation. Vibrate, if it is from left to right, propagation direction is from left to right, then it vibrate as like that. Which vibrate in a single plane perpendicular to direction of propagation is known as PPL, that is plane polarized light. Dextrorotatory compound, a compound which rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards right. If a substance rotates towards the right, plane polarized light rotates towards the right, it is known as dextrorotatory compound. It is denoted by small d or positive charge. It is denoted by small d or positive charge. The next one, Leo rotatory compound. Leo rotatory compound, a compound which rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards left. That is, it rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards the left. Then these are known as Leo rotatory compounds. These are denoted by small l or negative sign. If the compound rotates the plane polarized light towards the left, then it is known as Leo rotatory, and that Leo rotation is denoted by L or negative sign. Before the name of that compound or after the name of that compound, you must write L or D. L means Leo rotatory compound, D means dextrorotatory compound. For nucleophilic substitution reaction, or before the nucleophilic substitution reaction, optical activity must be known, that is optical related to vision. There is some compounds which view same but they do not match perfectly, and optically they are different. Other chemical properties are same but optically they are different, so these are known as optical active compounds. The compounds which give same properties, same chemical properties, same physical properties, but by the activity of light or optical activity it gives different results, as like that, that is dextro or Leo. The same substance which have a mirror image, give a dextrorotation. That means same structure, same molecular formula, but optically they are different, then these are known as optical active compound, or that phenomenon is known as optical activity. Okay, in the next video we are discuss about the optical activity of 2-chlorobutene, that is the example how the 2-chlorobutene optically active, or the isomers of tertiary butyl bromide. Thank you.